Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Ketanat kampok yeng ke Sorkar jela haduk menta kampat yok setia ya ke Kaiphod tokit hakabaya de bak Jingkawang ye bom pensat khmat lani ke tia gas da ki Pulit ya ki nohi kai school contract bala shakweng kam ki balaya lam lang ye ki khun ki ti ban leitur pai ba shaka office main secretariat hak henru trek urisau arjar arpuar ban dawa thung kambyang hadim bigila shakweng kam nadu ubenai kelalingkot arjar arpuwei Uba lakamen rumbui uba pet ya ketanat kampok yeng bat ya ketanat Pulit putih jong Sorkar jela hak jingkren bigilat pathai kebuar hak khat arterik urisau arjar arpuar oleh itu uba umpat yok pediang setia ya ke Kaiphod adim belada batha ya ke bor sensha district men pelong ya ke jing tokit Halor keni ke jingja ula ong bo anda ula yo ya ke Kaiphod un sebishar banyak bat baka Sorkar ru kan sale ya ke badon kam
since last Friday that report has been sick from the district administration. I hope that report have already reached, but I have not able to. It has not reached me. When I get the report, I will see what is the thing to be done. Necessary thing which need to be done, we will do accordingly. Action on anything which is go beyond the law, but we have to understand the situation. We are here not to protect anybody, not to hide anything. But before doing anything, we have to follow the due process of the law.